Thank you very much, Chair. I think in 2010, when Kenyans decided that they would open up the Supreme Court for academics, it was in realization that academics do bring in value to the bench. And the value that academics bring to the bench is a value that complements sitting judges and legal practitioners. And I should probably have said that practice of law is not really just about going to court. I probably have a lot more practice of law and practice within the judiciary because I have been engaged in a lot of judicial work. When the judiciary was getting birthed at 10, I was engaged to work on the judiciary performance improvement project, which actually has brought a lot of changes here. And that required me to have an in-depth understanding of these institutions. Beyond that, I have been a member of the Education Committee of the Judiciary, even before the Constitution, and was in the discussions that led to the establishment of the Judiciary Training Institute. I have also drafted and worked on curricula for the Judiciary Training Institute. And as a dean, when the late Justice Odek was the director, I spoke to him about us partnering so that the school could bring in a course on competition law. So one of the curricula that I worked on was on the commercial and financial law. I have also trained judges for many years, since 2006, when there wasn't much understanding of environmental law. I was engaged in training not just Kenyan judges, but also judges from East Africa, including Uganda and Tanzania. I should also say that because of another hat I wear, which is a chair of the Association of Environmental Law Lecturers in African Universities, an organization that has about 60 universities around Africa, I was asked to help African judiciaries come up with an organization like that. And I think this has now been established under the Southern African Judicial Education Institute. So, Chair, and maybe let me also say that as an academic, just going through different aspects of law, if that is not law practice, I don't know what it is, because you have to decipher the nuggets for the students. I do a lot of research. I am very widely published, and my publications are mainly on law and diverse areas of law. I have also drafted policies for the Kenya government. I mean, the biotechnology policy, 2006, the gender policy, 2019. I am currently completing the forest policy, and I've been engaged in wildlife policy. So I have a very deep understanding of the way in which law moves to become from policy to law to regulations to strategies.